Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. I am working as a professor and head of Department of Medicine, Gastroenterology, Faculty of Medicine and Allied, Ibn-e-Sina University, Muhammad Medical College, Ratnabad. Today the program was Mmc Psg Conference. The program or conference was organized by Department of Gastroenterology, Faculty of Medicine and Allied, in collaboration with Pakistan Society of Gastroenterology and GI Endoscopy, a Sindh chapter. As I am the Vice President of Pakistan Society of Gastroenterology Sindh chapter, we have done this second conference. The previous year the conference was in 2023. That was also in collaboration with Pakistan Society of Gastroenterology, and now the second time in 2024 we have arranged this conference. The renowned gastroenterologist and hepatologist, interventional radiologist and the transplant surgeon, they came here and give their talks. The program was started with the recitation of the Holy Quran. There was inaugural session. The inaugural session was chaired by Worthy Chancellor Professor Dr. Sayyid Razi Mohammed. The inaugural speech was done by Chancellor Professor Dr. Sayyid Razi Mohammed, then by the Chairman Organizing Committee. I am the Chairman Organizing Committee of this Mmc Psg Conference, along with my other colleague organizing members, Vice Chancellor Dr. Shamsul Arfin and other members. So the program was started with the recitation of the Holy Quran. Then the speeches was by inaugural speech. First speech by Worthy Chancellor Professor Dr. Sayyid Razi Mohammed, and the second speech by Chairman Organizing Committee, that is by myself. Then the Principal Professor Dr. Zafar H. Tanveer gives the talk on the importance of this university pre-symposium workshop, which was started before this conference 7 days ago. The pre-symposium and the symposium of the Muhammad Medical College started, and the last day today, that is on the 11th October, the Mmc Psg Conference. So after the inaugural speeches, on the in one of the important inaugural speech was also done by renowned gastroenterologist and hepatologist of the country, Professor Dr. Mmc Jaffrey, who has highlighted the importance of the university in this area and the rural area of the Sindh, and also highlighted the role and the services of this Sayyid family, Dr. Sayyid Ali Muhammad Saab, who started the Muhammad Medical College in 1999, is the father of Worthy Chancellor Professor Dr. Sayyid Razi Mohammed. Professor Mmc Jaffrey said that to educate the pupil is in our religion as well. He gives the reference of Quran and Hadith, and said that to teach one person is to teach the whole human being. So after the inaugural session, the scientific program started. The first scientific paper presented by Professor Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, that is myself, on the current WHO guidelines on the management of the chronic hepatitis B. It was on what are the current guidelines of hepatitis B virus and the treatment of hepatitis B in a special population like the pregnant ladies and the children and the adolescent, and also the surveillance for the hepatocellular carcinoma. The second talk was by Professor Dr. Yusuf Memon, who is interventional radiologist. He gives the importance of interventional radiology in different diseases like hepatocellular carcinoma. He also gives the role of the ozone in the management of different gastrointestinal and the hepatological diseases. Then the talk was by Dr. Badr Fayaz Zubairi. Badr Fayaz Zubairi came from Dow Medical College. He is the Dean of Faculty of Medicine and Allied, and his talk was the ERCP, the indication, the procedure techniques and the complications of this procedure. He highlighted that to learn the ERCP is very important before going to start this procedure, because there are complications of this procedure as well. Then the talk was by Professor Dr. Nasirullah, who came from SIUT Karachi. His talk was on the end stage liver diseases and the liver transplantation. He said that the 5,000 liver transplantation needed annually, but the organ is available in very less numbers. So he also advised to the students and the postgraduate doctors to give the importance of this organ donation. Then the talk of the by the transplant surgeon Dr. Akram, who came from the Gambad. He told us the selection of the liver transplant cases, the indication, how they select the liver transplant patients in the Gambad, how they select the donor, and how all the procedures and the investigation they done before the procedure. He tell us about the transplantation. He also tell us the thousands of the liver transplantation are done in the Gambad Institute of Medical and Health Sciences. Finally, the talk was by the guest speaker and the chief guest of the MMC Psg conference, Professor Dr. S.M. Wasim Jafri. His talk was metabolic associated fatty liver dysfunction. He told us the etiology, pathogenesis, and the clinical presentations of this disease. He also told us the new nomenclature using nowadays for the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Previously it is called as the NAFLD, now the MAFLD. And his state of the art lecture was on this important disease. He also highlighted that the weight reduction and the diet and the jogging and the exercise is important for the management of this disease, and the MAFLD can be pandemic in future. After this, there was the concluding remarks by worthy Chancellor Professor Dr. Syed Razi Mohammed. He thanks the speakers and the organizers of this MMC Psg conference, and also said the thanks to the doctors who came from Pakistan Medical Association, from Mirpurkhas, and from outside the city. Then there was the shield distribution and the ajrak and the souvenir distribution to the distinguished guests who came from Karachi, from Nawab Shah, from Gambad. The session chair was also decorated by the ajrak, and the shield was presented to them. Thank you very much.